male high heel outside of the vehicle, so there may be more than one person.
Hi guys.
Hi, how are you?
I'm Officer Barreto, Farmington Police. Where are you guys coming from?
Down the street on 20th.
Down the street on 20th?
Yeah, I just got running from a fucking
Okay.
dog.
Sweet.
Somebody like this
Alright.
guy.
Well, do me what?
This guy came running out down that way.
Okay.
He like blonde hair.
Okay, do me a favor. Both of you guys take a seat right there,
You're
right?
being detained?
Yeah, you are.
Why?
Floor 107, shots fired, officer down.
107, give me your 20 again.
Fairview and 30th, I'm shot.
1033, 1324.
Get all the units 1018 to that area.
All units.
Floor 107, he went southbound on Fairview. He's wearing a blue hoodie, blue jeans, long,
Hey, you put
fuck, I my shot in the arm, dude.
I'm trying to get out.
I don't have it on me.
Which arm?
This one, this one. Oh, fuck.